What's your reaction to them putting this on social media and everything? Do you think he was singled out or anything like that?
He was absolutely singled out.
All right, so I've got 3 bookings here this morning. Is there any agreement?
No.
Okay, so the 3 bookings, starting with 370, sale of marijuana within a park, school, or daycare, 1 count. Booking 368, sale of marijuana within 1,000 feet, manufacture of a controlled substance, and booking 366, sale of heroin within 1,000 feet, and looks like also sale of marijuana, sale of cocaine, all within 1,000 feet.
And that one, I believe, that's sale of a counterfeit substance
in lieu of. Okay. Go ahead, Ms. Duggan.
Judge, on each case, each count, I'm asking the bonds to remain as set. I am also asking for a nebia requirement. He has 1 prior felony conviction in 2013 for a sale.
In when?
2013, a sale.
Nothing since then, Your Honor. Mr. Stephens is...
I'm sorry, there are some withhelds, but I'm not allowed to tell you about them.
Right.
Your Honor, Mr. Stephens, as you can see, is in a wheelchair. He has some very serious medical issues that we would ask the court to take into consideration. Mr. Stephens is both bowel and bladder incontinent as a result of a shooting. He has ongoing care with a urologist for infections with his catheter. He has an ultrasound scheduled with a urologist to deal with kidney stones. He's suffering from decubitus ulcers, which become infected. He's really not in any shape to remain in the jail. While the charges are serious, Your Honor, I would ask the court to consider the fact that most of it involves marijuana, and the one charge, or there's actually 2 charges for heroin and cocaine. It's a combination of a total of 0.1 grams. So we're talking about a tiny amount of drugs.
But it's not a possession.
It's not a possession, it's a sale. But I just want to let the court know that we're not, there's a difference.
I understand. I understand the amounts.
Okay, so beyond that, Mr. Stephens is completely indigent. He has no way to bond out of jail. We're asking the court to consider putting him on SOR so that he can continue to get his medical treatment.
Sorry, that's denied. Then I will leave all the bonds as set. I was going to increase the heroin charge. But based on your information that he is indigent, I'll leave him as set, imposing also a bond source requirement and a stay-away order from the areas where these acts occurred or are alleged to have occurred. The bond source is prior to release.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Mr. Goldstein, have a good day.
You too. Yeah, he was absolutely singled out. This is completely related to the lawsuit. We're going to try everything we can, but he hasn't received a penny of that money from the sheriff's office, so he has no money to find himself out.